Hey, so I'm posting this video to see if I can get any help with my 2002 BMW 325i. Basically, I came here one morning about 2 days ago, tried to start my car, nothing happened. Whenever I insert the key in the ignition, I turn to the on position, and this is all I get. Beeping noise, and I hear a slight humming noise coming from the left side of the car. I think that might be the fuel pump, but I'm not 100% sure. I just got my battery checked at AutoZone. Got the alternator checked. All that is good, so I'm not really sure what the issue is. I don't know if it's starter or if it's just the ignition switch. But I'm going to do it one more time for you. Hopefully you guys can get some ideas based off of the dashboard. As you can see, the car does not start. It's not turning over. There's no noise. It's pretty quiet. All I get are lights. I checked the fuses also, so I know that's not the issue. But please post back if you have any recommendations. Thank you.